Class, is my screen visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, can anyone tell me what is the purpose of letter writing? Yes. Yes, right. The purpose of letter writing, we can send some information, we can send messages to anyone. So, today we are going to learn a topic that is about letter writing. So, let's begin with topic. So there are two types of letters. First is formal letter and second is informal letter. So we will today learn about a formal letter writing. So first part. Yes, Anisha, read what is a letter.
A written message conveyed from one person to another person.
Yes. So let's begin with the formal letter. Yes, who will read this formal letter?
And read.
Yes.
A formal letter is one written in a formal and ceremonious language and follows a certain stipulated format. Formal letters are written for official purpose to authorities, dignitaries, colleagues, seniors, etc. Example: letter to school principal.
Yes. So, what is a formal letter? Formal letter is always written to a some main person. That is, we can write to a principal or a headmaster or any other main person. And what is informal letter? Informal letter is a letter which is written to friends, family, relatives. That is called informal. So, formal letter is that type which is used for some main purpose, like for authorities part, dignitaries, colleagues, senior. So whenever we are in a school, we write a letter to a school principal about getting some facilities or some information, anything. So that is coming in formal letter. So we will today begin with format of writing a formal letter. So in the first part, what we will write, the first is sender's detail. Sender's detail means sender's name and address. So you will be writing our sender's name. What is your name? If I'm taking Vaishnavi Sawant, so I will write about that. So my address. So I will write address about me. So what is my address? So next will be I will be writing about date. So what is today's date? If I'm taking 5th July 2021. So I'm writing this letter on this day. So this is the first format about that. The sender's name and sender's name will be coming in the first part. The second will be coming of address and the third will be coming of date. Now coming to the next part. Third, receiver's detail, name and address. So what will come in receivers means the person whom I'm writing a letter. If I'm writing a letter to the school principal, so the school principal's name will be coming in the receiver's detail. So I will write name of the principal here and address I will be writing about the school. If I'm taking any school's address, I will be writing the address of that school. So what is the fourth part? Fourth part is salutation. Now this is a formal letter. So I will not write anything about that about to that person. So first I will write respected madam and sir. If I am giving some respect, so I will write respected madam or sir or principal. So that will be coming in salutation. Now coming to the next part. So, what is the next part? The fifth is subject. Now, this is an important part. Objective of writing the letter. So, the subject is the main part. If I am writing a subject, I will be writing that. If I am writing a letter to a principal about giving some facility of starting a playground in the school. So, what is the objective of writing a letter? So it will be coming like that. Write a letter to the principal. The objective of this letter is to start a playground on the in the school. So this will be coming in the subject part, that is coming in objective of writing the letter. Now the next part, main body of letter, divided into three parts. So what is the first part? The first part is the introduction. In the letter, introduction will always be there, and we have to start with how, if I'm starting giving a if I'm writing a letter to the principal about starting a playground on the school, we will be giving an introduction. So the next part, main content. Main content is very important, because why I want to start the playground, what is the purpose, and I have to mention some parts of the main content in this letter. What is the third part? Conclusion or end of the letter. So this is also there. Conclusion and end of letter is also there in the letter. So what is the three bodies of the letter is the introduction, main content, and conclusion or end of a letter. So now coming to the next part. Last is, no, seventh is subscription. So it will be coming yours truly, yours obediently, yours sincerely. So the whenever the letter is getting over, on the last part we are always writing yours truly, obediently, and sincerely, means we are respecting, that is the giving respect to the principal. Now last, eight, name or signature of senders. So what you will be writing? Sender means who, the person who is writing a letter. Means if I'm writing a letter to the principal, it will be coming of my name, sign, and designation. So my name will be written, that is Vaishnavi Sawant. Sign will be given of me, and designation will be given of mine. So that is important. So what is a we will just see a format about a letter. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of a bad condition of road in your locality. So you will see how it is written. Yes, Anisha, read this.
This entire slide.
Yes, read the first part. Nihir Joshi and that one.
Okay. Sender's name and address. Nihir Joshi, I 585, Ashraya, opposite IES School, Kandivali East, Mumbai 400101.
Yes. So just I told you, in the formal letter, whenever the sender's name and address is there, so you have to write like this: how the Neer Joshi is given and how his address is written. So in the next part, what is given, that is date. So whenever Neer Joshi is writing the letter on this date, that is 3rd July 2021. So address of receiver. Now he is writing to the editor of newspaper about the bad condition of the road. So you will be writing the receiver's address, that is the editor, Times of India and Mumbai. Salutation. So this is a formal letter. So you have to write respected sir or dear sir. Now subject. So what will be the subject? Subject is very important is in the letter. So the subject will be regarding bad condition of the road. Did you get, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we will see how the letter is written. Main content and body. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities toward the bad condition of the road in our locality. Second paragraph, read Poonam. Yes. And who will read the third? Yes, Atifa, read third paragraph.
I will read. She is not there in the meeting.
Okay.
It would be good if you publish this in your newspaper, and the concerned authority will see the gravity of this matter, and some measures will be adopted to improve the condition of roads. I hope that you consider the request of the residents of this area and take proper action.
Yes. So in the first part, whenever I'm writing a letter, how the Nihir Joshi has sent a letter to the editor of newspaper. In the first paragraph, he has just told about the condition of the bad roads in our locality. In the second paragraph, he is saying that how due to the roads, it has become very worse condition in this locality. Due to this, there is due to it is happening like the rainy season is coming, and due to this the accident is taking place in a lot of number, and the people are also facing many problems, lot of inconvenience. They are unable to walk, and they are very in a pathetic condition. Now the third paragraph, it in the second paragraph you can see the main content of the letter, that what the Nihir Joshi is facing very bad condition of the road. Third, it will be good if you publish this in your newspaper, and the concerned authority will see the gravity of this matter, and some measures will be adopted to improve the condition of the road. Now he is just convincing the editor of newspaper to please take some action against this problem, that you should improve the condition and solve this problem as soon as possible. So in the third part of the letter, always you will put the action to the concerned authority, that please take some measures to stop this problem. And this is the third paragraph. So in the first paragraph, I will write about the road condition. In the second paragraph, what problems I'm facing due to the bad road problems. And the third, I will request them to please take some action about this problem. So this is the main content or the body of the letter. Now you can see, in after finishing the letter, it is written like this: yours truly, that is respecting is given to the editor. Now subscription Nihir Joshi, and the Nihir Joshi sign will be there. Sender's name and signature. You will write the sender's name and signature, that is Nihir Joshi, and the sign will be coming of Nihir Joshi. Now revise of this. What is a letter? So, what is a letter? A written message conveyed from one person to another person. So, what is a formal letter? A formal letter is one which is written in a formal and follows a certain stimulated format. Formal letters are written for official purpose to authorities, dignitaries, colleagues, seniors, etc. Next part. So just now I explained what are the steps to write a letter. That is sender's detail, name and address, date will be there, receiver's details, salutation will be there. That is respected sir, madam, dear sir and madam. So let's start with exercise part. Yes, first question. What is a letter? Who will answer?
A written message conveyed from one person to another.
Yes, right. Second, what is a formal letter?
Letters which are written to authorities or dignitaries.
Yes. And who can tell me that what is the format of letter writing? Yes. Only you can tell the first part. It's okay. Wow. Yes. Yes, right. Very good. And the fourth question is formal letter is for friends and family. Is it true or false?
False.
Yes, right. Formal letter is for authorities and dignitaries. So you have to write down the letter. And what is the homework for today? You have to write an application to the principal of your school, requesting him or her for permission to set up an English debating club at your school. Thank you so much.